Be ready. Dictation will be started in few seconds. Start. The selection to all the positions advertised will be based on a written test followed by an interview of candidates. Written test will carry 80% of the marks and interview will have 20% of the marks. The written test will be in two parts. The first part will be based on multiple choice questions for 50 marks. There is no negative marking in these multiple choice questions. Stop. The second part carrying 30 marks will be distributed to the descriptive questions on the subject of your specialization within the broad outline of the subject of specialization as indicated in the advertisement. Candidates who do not secure 50% of the marks in the test will not be called for the interview. Stop. However, for candidates belonging to the reserved categories, the cutoff marks will be 40% of the total marks. Stop. Written examination was of 80 marks and the appellants secured more than 50% marks therein. Stop. They were called for the interview which was held on 19th March 2010 and the result of which was published on the website of the CCI. Finally, only 5 candidates, that 2 from the general category, were selected. Stop. Nobody from the OBC category, to which category the appellants belonged, emerged successful. Stop. On obtaining the information from the respondents under the Right to Information Act 2005, the appellant came to know that he had secured only 2 marks out of 20 marks in the interview. Stop. In this manner, total marks secured by him were 53 out of 100 marks. He also learnt that the respondent had fixed the benchmark of 70 marks for the general category and 65 marks for the reserved category candidates. Stop. Since the total marks obtained by all these appellants were less than 65, that was the reason for their non-selection. Stop. It is this fixation of benchmark which was agitated the appellants, and according to them it amounts to changing the selection procedure midway, which is illegal. Para. The appellants approached the High Court of Delhi by filing a writ petitions challenging their non-selection primarily on the ground that the selection criteria was changed arbitrarily, that too after the advertisement, and the law did not permit the respondents to change the rules of the game after the game had started. Stop. The precise contention in this behalf was that the benchmark, which was fixed at 70 and 65 marks or above in the general and reserved category respectively for the purposes of selection, was not mentioned earlier, that is before the start of selection process, either in the advertisement or otherwise. Stop. The writ petitions were contested by the respondents. Thanks for watching.